How to send friend request on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can send friend request on WeChat. For that, open your WeChat application on your device and click on that plus icon at the top right corner of the screen next to search icon. Once you click on it, some options will pop up. Here click on that add contacts. After that, click on mobile contact to view the users from your contacts. Then you will find the WeChat users from your contact list. How to send the friend request, click on that add option next to the profile name. Then you will reach to this page. Here click on send button and a friend request will be sent to that person. So in this way you can send friend request on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.